Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
O Muhammad, you have debated with us, but know that until now we have both been patient. And you have told us in this mosque, O Muhammad. You have allowed us to worship here. You have hosted us kindly, and thank you for that. However, I am being in my 70s and Aheb is his 80s. We and the rest of the people of Najran, since being guided to the light, we have remained steadfast on the religion of our forefathers and continue to hold on to them. But of us have heard the proofs that you presented before us. You said that if the reason that Jesus the Messiah was born without a father, then surely one born without a mother and father, Adam, has a greater right over lordship of the world. Understanding all that, we are all traversing the path of our ancestors. And we cannot believe you, O Muhammad, and we cannot verify that you are the messenger of Allah, as you claim.
O Muhammad, leave us and the people of Najran to our own way. Keep your practices to yourself and leave us to enjoy our own. When we people of Najran examine our beliefs, we see nothing but truth in them, and we certainly don't see any truth in the Islam which you claim.
Please remain calm. All that I have said has not been from me, rather they are the words of Allah, the Exalted One. You both heard my arguments and yet unable to provide an answer, and despite of your obstinacy, my respect for you is still in place. So that you may witness another final proof from Allah, I present you with my request to do Mubahila.
Mubahila?
Each side will invoke God affliction and the curse of Allah to descend upon the other.
All right, Muhammad, this is a worthy suggestion, since we are confident that we are on the right path.
This request will act as the decisive point and will define who is right and who is wrong. We accept this request.
Where we have to come.
As you have accepted the request, the meeting will take place tomorrow morning outside Medina.
Yes. We will request all our three gods.
Our God shall bring down disaster upon you, create problems for you, and will annihilate you and your lineage. They will cause your followers to convert to our religion with longing and regret.
If you love Muhammad, then try to save him now. Because after tomorrow he will never witness the sun rise again.
I am now 80 years old, of which I sent 70 of these long years of mine in constant prayers and supplication. So tomorrow I will carry the strength of 70 years of worship, with which I will pray for calamity and disaster of your master.
What is he saying? How dare he say that? How can he be so arrogant? How can he say this?
Calm down, calm down.
But how dare he say that?
Don't be enraged at what he is saying. Calm down. I have granted both of them security, so that they may say whatever they like with peace and without fear. Please sit down.
I would like to tell you one thing. If today we Christians are able to bring about affliction upon Muhammad, then you will not hold us accountable as he himself requested this. What is your name, O good man?
Abu Rafia. I am a freed slave of Prophet Muhammad.
If I ask a question, will you answer me?
Go ahead and ask me, O man from Najran.
If Muhammad will arrive, from which direction would he come?
From the same way we came from, the same path everyone follow, directly behind this isolated date tree.
O Abu Rafi, tell me who are coming with Muhammad, so we can curse them also.
The person on the right of him is Ali, son of Abu Talib. He is his cousin, son-in-law and successor.
Ali?
Is he the same Ali who killed Amr bin Abd Wad in Battle of Trench?
And Harris and Marhab in Battle of Khyber? And who is that lady?
She is daughter of Messenger of Allah.
She is daughter of Messenger of Allah.
Correct. She is Fatima Zahra, the leader of all women in the worlds.
O Ahab, look.
Muhammad did not come with his soldiers.
He has come with his own family and dear ones to receive our curses.
If Muhammad is not truthful, he would have taken them and fled to a far and remote place.
These two hands which he has, if they are to be raised in supplication, even the mountains will tremble.
If these people curse, then no one will be left in Najran. O God, run over and tell him not to invoke curse upon us. Plead with him not to curse us. Plead with him not to curse us.
Please. Wait, O Muhammad. Please don't curse on us. Please don't curse on us.